Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link and unlink PlayStation Network with Marble Rebels account. To link and unlink PlayStation Network, you can follow this step. So first, open Marble Rebels on your device. After that, go to Settings in the game main menu. Tap on the Settings. Now select Account. Find and select the account. Choose Link Account. Look for Link PlayStation Network and select it. And then sign into PlayStation Network. Enter your PlayStation Network credential, email, username and password. Now confirm linking. Once logged in, confirm the linking prompt and your PSN account will be connected to Marble Rebels. So now let's see how to unlink PlayStation Network from Marble Rebels. To unlink, you can follow this step. So first, open Marble Rebels and go to Settings. After that, select Account. Tap the Account option. Now choose Unlink, find and unlink PlayStation Network and select it. After that, confirm unlinking. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm that you want to unlink your PSN account. And finally, your PSN account is now unlinked from Marble Rebels. So these are ways you can link and unlink PlayStation Network with Marble Rebels. Hopefully, you will be able to link and unlink PlayStation Network with Marble Rebels account. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.